The Small Blocks Big Dreams project is focused on smaller properties, but you might have a 2-acre property, you might have 5 acres, you might have 50 odd acres. It's around skills, knowledge and confidence in managing your property. It's about learning from each other and learning from expert presenters as well. Working groups behind the scenes, different representatives who are passionate in this space who have helped design this project. So it involves workshops, property visits, and there's obviously a focus on land, water, plants and vegetation management. The project has come from community need and interest. We've been getting a lot of feedback that we're pretty good at working with bigger landholders and there's an opportunity to work with smaller landholders.